and welcome everyone to the Hidden Gem with two N's, and today I will be showing you how to create your own YouTube banner using Keynote on your MacBook. And if you're someone like me, I'll show you how I created my first YouTube banner step by step. Let's get started and open up Keynote to this white simple template. Let's delete our text box. Okay, we want to delete it. Now, click on Document. We want to customize our slide size. Ignore these numbers, they are wrong. I got them off a website that gave me the wrong measurements because YouTube told me it was too small, so YouTube gave me the correct numbers. And the width, according to YouTube, will be 2048. The height will be 1152. At this point, your template should look like this. Let's go right ahead and add our background, the background that you want for your banner. And this is the background that I want. I found this on Google. Doing a Google simple search. We want to fill out our entire, right there, those yellow lines. It tells me that, okay, it tells me that it's in the center, that's in the middle. Let's leave that there. And now that we're there, we want to insert our YouTube template. This YouTube template will help you know where you want to place your text and your images. This is where people can view your letters if they choose to see your channel on their phone. Ignore that. So now, the first thing we want to do is click on Format. And on the Format, let's click on Image. Let's click on Instant Alpha, and what Instant Alpha will do is make any color transparent. As you can see here, I can now see my background. Let's click Done. Let's do Edit Mask, and with Edit Mask, you can crop your image. You can crop your image, and the only thing I'm focusing on is this center banner. Once you have the center banner, let's click on Style. And right here, the difference between Instant Alpha and this is that with this option, you get to decide how transparent you want it to be. And I want it to be as transparent to the point where I can see the 50 Shades of Grey. Right here. I think that's good. And at this point now I am going to work with my name. I want to insert a text box. Right here you can select your size, It's pretty easy to follow. Let's select our font. I want to make it bold. Let's go right ahead and select our color. So my YouTube channel name is The Hidden Gem with two N's. I want to center it right there. As you can see, I still have enough, a little bit of space, and I'm just going to keep my font to 160. Whatever your font is, just make sure that the size that you select is always inside this first line right here. Because right here, people won't be able to see it online. And now I will just fast forward and show you guys how I created my text font for my YouTube channel, and probably insert some images. I'll play around a few, but you yourself can look around right here and align. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. Align, I could have just, instead of me looking for those yellow lines right here, I could have just came here to the center. You could do stuff. You can flip right here upside down if you're going for anything artistic. You can rotate your position right here. I'm fine with how I want it. And back and front. So with back, for example, on my background, I want to make sure that my background is back, and it is in the back already. That means that that it is all the way at the back and that I won't be able to touch it. My mouse won't be able to touch it. So there are other things that you could do here on top. You can, I don't have any specific shape and styles, and I don't want to necessarily fill it, but you can image fill if you choose to, and you can see, you can choose the color that you want to work with to fill it. I don't necessarily want to fill. Oh, that actually, but I don't want to fill. But I'll just show you guys what I come up with, and there's a lot of cool features. So just see, like, keep an eye out what I do, and I'll show you guys. I worked on it a bit myself. I didn't really change much. I did do a little something for myself. Some people could probably notice it by now. If you don't, then you'll probably notice it when I upload it. But I did work on it and made it to my own taste. So now you go to File up here in the top left, and you want to export it. You can also save it, but in order for us to upload it into YouTube, let's export it as an image. And once you have your image, make sure the format that you want to save it as will be JPEG high quality. And you get to choose where you want to save it as. So banner upload. So I know which one I want to upload. Because I do have other ones, but this is the one that I'm most content with. And now this is my old banner that I made through my phone. So if you don't have access to a Keynote, actually, if you do have an Apple iPhone, you do have access to Keynote also on your phone. Although this banner that you're looking at right here, I did not create it on Keynote on my phone. I use several apps, but now that I know about Keynote and how I created this banner that I just showed you, I will continue to use Keynote on my phone even when I don't have my computer. So now let's go right ahead and upload that banner. That's, so this is the one I want to upload. I had other ones, but this is the one that I'm most happy with. So right here, as you can see, people will see it on their desktop like this. People on their mobile device will be able to see our name from the template that we use, and people on TV will be able to see it right like this. So make sure you don't leave any hidden fonts on the corners or any images on the corners. Get rid of all of it, because once you save that image, you save the entire image. And you can do auto enhance, but I'm pretty content with mine, and now I won't do auto enhance. So let's select, and there it is. There is my new YouTube name, banner, The Hidden Gem.